Hey there. Hey, I know it's been a couple months since the last posting regarding my open heart surgery and post-op conditions, so I just wanted to let you know that everything's actually been going really well. Let's see, I think my last posting was right around October, beginning of October. And so since then, I've had a pound weight restriction that went up to like 20, 40 pounds. That was really good over that last month and a half there. And now, since then, here at the end of October, basically December 1st, had a complete release. Actually got released from cardiac rehab, got released from any of the restrictions, can do push-ups, pull-ups, the whole works now, no problems. It is a little sore, don't get me wrong. When you do those things, it does kind of impact it a little bit, it seems like. And it gets a little bit tender. Anyway, the only item really right now, like everything seems to be going really well. I've been riding a bike still indoors at the moment. I've done a little bit outdoors, but most of it, what I've been doing indoors has been just really good. Like heart rate's going well, heart rate's coming down, all the intense beating when I take a breath, a lot of that stuff is subsiding. So everything seems to be like falling right into place. Even my fingers, finally, they are really finally getting better. It seems like there's still a little bit of that sensation that's left over in it, but overall, everything has been going really well. So got, like I said, complete release. So probably what I'll do is maybe check back in another 3 months, see if anything else has changed. I do have a cardio, an echo here at the end of the month, and then follow up with the cardiologist. So if anything new comes from that, I'll definitely let you know in the next video. But otherwise, everything is working out great. So, all right, thanks. Just wanted to touch base, let you know everything's going well, and we'll check with you next time. All right, take care. See you later.